You want to go vegan, but you don't know where to start? You're afraid it might be difficult? You have your doubts and lots of questions like, where do you get your protein and iron? Or how do you tell your friends and family? You've heard vegan can help you control weight, but you don't know how? You don't know how to save money by going vegan? You want a transitional route so you can take it slow? Or a fully constructed meal plan for a month with recipes so you don't have to do all the hard research work yourself? We've got it all covered. Welcome to the 7 Steps course, the beginner's guide to going vegan. This is the only course of its kind. It covers the most important questions about veganism. You get 2 ways to do the course, student and explorer. More about this at the end of the intro. 3 30-day meal plans to choose from, going on different levels, including a transition plan. A full lesson on how to save money by going vegan. An understanding of how the body works and why vegan is a great choice for your health and weight control. And we even cover why veganism is good for the planet and for society and the economy, and how your choice is helping others. Everything in the course is based on thorough research with references to the experience of qualified vegan nutritionists and doctors. We know you are here because you have a lot of questions. When we first went vegan, we had a lot of questions too. And in this course, we have answers to over 100 of them. Questions like, what are the 8 ways to save money on a vegan diet? What is the difference between vegan, vegetarian, and other plant-based diets? How do you get the same foods for less money? What are the 6 easy methods to control your weight? How come certain people eat the exact same foods, but it affects them completely differently? Where do you get protein, iron, calcium, and B12? How do animal products hurt poor people or cause global warming and climate change? Why don't vegans eat dairy or eggs? How do you tell friends and family that you are going vegan? How do you eat out as a vegan? How do you raise vegan kids, and how do you bring vegan into your own home? How do you deal with the 10 challenges of remaining vegan in the long run? What is detox? And why do raw vegans not cook their food? Here's a brief overview of the 7 steps. Step 1. Understanding what is vegan and why it's a good choice for your health and for the world. Step 2. How to eat a balanced diet, get all the nutrients including iron and protein, and control weight. Step 3. How to eat vegan, how the body digests food, and how to save money on a vegan diet. Step 4. 3 30-day meal plans, transition, full, and raw 80% and 100%. Step 5. Living a vegan lifestyle, sharing it with family and friends, eating out, raising vegan kids, keeping the lifestyle in the long run, and veganizing clothing, activities, and shopping. Step 6. The raw vegan diet and detox. Step 7. Vegan recipes and cooking tips, including how to make your food taste like meat, cheese, eggs, Asian, gourmet, and exotic. You'll get 2 options for doing this course, student and explorer. Study like a course or go straight to one of the vegan meal plans and start eating vegan right away as you do the rest of the course.